Heating the water in your spa accounts for up to 85% of the running cost. Fortunately, you've made the wise decision to install a hybrid heat pump. Before our team installs your heat pump, there are some things that you need to consider to avoid disappointment during installation. There are far too many installation scenarios to cover in this video. However, there are 5 key points that you need to take away that will help save you added cost and time. The heat pump will need to be installed no more than 3 meters from the spa controller because it comes with a 5-meter power and data cable. Both of these cables need to be connected to the spa controller at installation. If your heat pump is to be installed outside your fenced pool area, a minimum 900 millimeters non-climbable zone from the top of the fence to the closest point of the heat pump must be maintained, while also maintaining a minimum 500 millimeter distance at the ground level. Your heat pump cannot be installed more than 1 meter higher or lower than the base of the spa. If installed above or below the base of the spa, you cannot install the unit more than 2 meters away from the spa's controller. The sidewall of a swim spa can act as a barrier, and the same distances apply to a swim spa as it does to a portable spa. The heat pump must sit on either a concrete base or well-laid concrete paving stones. The most common solution is to pour a pad extension for the heat pump when the main spa pad is being poured. The heat pump moves a lot of air, and so both the back and front of the heat pump must be completely unobstructed. The manufacturer recommends 300 millimeters at the back, 700 millimeters each side, and 2.5 meters to the front of the unit. If you are planning to install the heat pump below decking, in a pit, etc., you must ensure the clearance detailed above are maintained for maximum efficiency. Before our team can install your heat pump, we must first make sure that your site is fully prepped and ready. You'll need to provide a level, stable surface for installation clear of any obstacles. Another point to be aware of is that a heat pump has a condensate drain, and so the area will get wet.